over here and loaded into this stick making machine. The control panel of the stick making machine, the motor, the sawdust goes in the hopper, goes through extruding here and heating, and just comes out as a long stick, just like that. And it is warm to the touch, in fact hot to the touch, where it's also heated to 220 degrees Celsius and extruded as the sticks come out. When it reaches a certain length, it automatically breaks off, just from the pressure on the other end as it is pushed. The smoke is drawn up the chimney. This is the semi-finished sawdust stick, which on the outside is, as you can see, is black because it's been charred. The reason for that is so that the stick won't fall apart as you handle it. Now here is the just the stack of the half-finished stick. This is before you carbonize it in the ovens. Now we take one of these semi-finished ones, where so you can see you can adjust the length. Okay, now if you watch, we can try and crush this. Okay, you see it's all just sawdust. It's just sawdust, okay? It's just very, very densely packed. I almost can't break it. Oh, very hot to the touch, but it's all soft. It's all, it's all sawdust.